Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start in Settings because that gives you full control. Open Settings, then tap Safari. Once done, check the Safari screen for options like Clear History and Website Data. Make sure you understand the distinction. History removes visited pages, Website Data removes cookies and caches that keep you logged in. If you use iCloud, confirm whether Safari syncing is enabled so your choice affects all devices. Now, position your finger over the Clear History option. We'll proceed to the detailed deletion steps next. You now tap Clear History and Website Data if you want a thorough clean. This removes history, cookies, and caches. If you prefer to preserve cookies, choose Clear History only. That keeps logins intact but removes visited pages. Once tapped, iOS will ask for confirmation. Read the prompt, then confirm to proceed. Make sure to pause if you see a message about iCloud syncing. Disabling sync first prevents changes from wiping other linked devices. Next, we'll finalize and troubleshoot potential issues. You finish by confirming the clear action, then quit and reopen Safari to ensure the history is gone. If entries persist, make sure iCloud Safari syncing isn't restoring data. Go to Settings, your name iCloud, and toggle Safari off, then repeat clearing. If that still fails, sign out of iCloud, repeat the clear, then sign back in. Finally, if pages still appear, reset network settings or restart the device. This resolves residual caching or sync glitches in most cases.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.